In this video, we are going to see how you can create the deal from the company. So for that, you just need to go to the CRM section. In the CRM, you will be able to see the different options, that is the lead, deal, inventory. For going to the company, you just need to click on the customer, and in customer, we are having the option of companies. So you just need to click on that companies. Suppose you want to create the deal from particular company, so you can search that company over here directly. So once you add that company name and search, so you are going to get the company name directly in this particular section. For example, we are create today we will see how we can create the deal for from this particular company. So I open this company. So in this company, you are getting all the clients information, that is the name of the company along with the contact details, phone number, email id, everything. Beside the general tab, here we have the deal option. So in this particular deal, suppose for this particular company, there are deals which is created. So you will be able to see all that deals over here, like how much deals are created for this particular company. So you will be able to see all that lead deals over here. So for creating the new deal, you just need to click on the new deal option, and here you will be getting all the different pipelines which is available in your system. For example, I want to create this particular deal for the task and project management pipeline. So when I click on the save, I will be redirect to the deal section. So in this deal section, when you're creating the deal, you can add the deal name and all the relevant information for that particular company. As you can see over here, the email id and the company name are already over here because we are creating this from this particular company section. So they are already here. Apart from this, suppose you want to add any other information related to this particular deal, you can add that information over here. You will be able to see all the relevant fields for that particular, like for adding the particular information for that deal. So for example, we just go to select this company, and from this company we are going to see one of the deal which is generated from here itself. So we just open this deal. So you can see this deal is created for that particular company, and here all the information are already there because this is created from the particular company section. And suppose for example, you just need to add the other relevant information, that is the comment, expiry date, and product serial number and everything. You can add this number, you can add this from this particular section. So this is how you can create the deal from the particular company section.